Now we're going to cover the single mechanical seal configuration on a U3 pump. First, take your O-ring for your rotor, install in place. Use silicone-based lubricant. Install your seal with the alignment tabs. Seat that into position of your rotor. Set that aside. Body seal components. You have your O-ring for your seal seat. Lubricate body and the O-ring and install. Install your spring seat with the tab holes facing up. Make sure your O-ring is seated. Install your seal tab with the tabs facing down towards the product into the pump. Seal spring. Make sure it's together. Install on your seal tab. Seal carrier. Set over the top of your seal configuration. Use anti-seize on your bolts. Tighten using your 3/16 T-handle Allen. Move your body to where the product side is facing up. You have a product side O-ring and a product side seal that are front loading. You'll install your product side seal inside the body with your silicone-based lubricant. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the back side of your product seal. Align your tabs with the seal seat tab and install. Check for spring play. Once you've done that, you can install your body. Once your seals and your body's installed, tighten your two body retaining bolts, and that concludes the single mechanical seal on a Universal 3 PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.